Hello viewers, myself mgdtamim. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Saber effect in the PNG logo and make a very attractive logo reveal animation. I already make a video on Saber plugin. You can see the video from the link given in the description. So no more waste time, let's begin the video. At first, you have to take a PNG logo, press Ctrl plus I, then select a logo, click on the import. After import, click on the logo and drag it on the composition. My logo color is black, that's why we cannot see the logo. Simply change the logo color. You have to go effect and preset and search FILL fill. Click on the effect and drag it and release on the layer. Now you can see the logo color is already changed. You can choose any color. I choose this color. Now you have to click on the logo and go to layer option. Click on the auto trace. Now click on the OK. Now you can see the layer mask. Now you have to click on the layer mask and go to search bar and search SABER Saber. Click on the effect and drag it, release on the auto trace PNG. Now you have to go customize core and click on the core type and select layer mask. Then you can see the effect applied in your logo layer. You can change the effect from the preset option. Click on the preset option. I select fog option. This is a very nice and very attractive effect. You also can customize the logo that you want. I customize the effect like that. Then I want to animate the logo. To animate it, go to customize core and select and click on the end offset and end size. Set the end size 100 to 0% and set the end offset amount 100 to 0%. Then go to around 2 seconds later and set the end amount 100% and also set the end offset amount 100%. Now if I play it, you also can customize the effect from this option. Now if you want to reveal the logo, you have to select the auto test layer and change the mode normal to add. Then go to 2 seconds later, press T and select on the opacity to set a keyframe, and keyframe value will be 100%. Then go to 20 frame later and set the opacity 100 to 0%. Similarly, you have to select main PNG logo layer, press T and go to 20 frame later, set a opacity keyframe value will be 0%. Then go to 20 frame later and set the opacity value 0 to 100%. Now if I play it, you can see our logo reveal animation is complete. Here is the result. I hope you will be able to make this type of logo reveal animation very easily. Thank you for watching the video.